Boys out here at Schmack First and 12? First and 12. Having a little bit dinner. Mac and cheese dinner. Buffalo chicken. Cheeseburger?
Yeah, cheeseburger.
We got the
Alpine, I think?
Alpine. Yeah. Water boy's here.
Water boy.
Water boy.
We waited. We're gonna let
Thank you.
Extra breadcrumbs.
There. Oh, look at that.
Oh, let me get you that cheese pull real quick. Oh, there's no.
Oh, fail.
Yo, why is mine not cheesy? Sad. All right, let's see.
I can see the boys with the mac and cheese. Let's go.
Finally got his. I never said that, yo. Since day one, I think
yeah, no, what's wrong?
$3 size. Yo, we only go to the $1 size places, but this place.
Yeah, right now. Cheese, $3 size. We're at a Korean restaurant in Cape Town called Antoya.
Yeah.
Let's just say that.
Too many dollars on it. Yeah, I think they want to get the galbi.
Alright, you want to get this one though?
And then
just
Also sell little lunchboxes. I think
I love them.
Take one up and play with it. Yeah, they do. You cook for us.
There's 7 of us so far.
It's a thing. It's a mic.
State Canada.
Sony 7
Yes.
Sony.
This lasagna, but I think it's like a shepherd's pie. I think it's like a shepherd's pie.
First ever Zoom class. We passed? Yes sir, we all passed our first exam, baby!
Easy money. What's 2 plus 2? Yeah, what's 2 plus 2?
5.
So that was actually one of our exam questions.
So now we're going out to eat.
Smack
Stay
it.
tuned.
Smack.
Jeremy Lin out here, playing for the New York Knicks again. Welcome back to Insanity 2012.
Nope. 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 Nope.
All right, what's good? All right.
We're getting our kit distribution today.
Yes,
Doing
sir.
kit distribution.
Big milestone for us.
Big day for us.
So what this means is that we are gonna go get our toolkit, which basically has all our like hand pieces that we practice on, tooth that we practice the fillings and scaling on. But yeah, so it's a pretty exciting day, a big milestone in our career. And yeah, so Jamie and I were both in the same GP,
group practice,
which is group practice, which pretty much means that we do labs in third and fourth year. We do clinics together, so we'll be seeing a lot of each other for the next 4 years.
I'm already sick of him.
Yeah, same. I live with him. Now I got to be in class with him for the next 4 years. Oh my god.